Would you like it if your employees referred to your shop as a cult? Hang with me for a minute. It's a place where it's cool to care, a place where they're happy to come to work, a place where their colleagues are happy to come to work. What if your workplace felt like more than just a job? What if it felt more like a community with a shared belief system driving every action? I've worked in various organizations, but what really defines greatness for me is the company culture. It's about shared values, attitudes, and behaviors. It's like being part of something bigger, something meaningful. What happens when your culture is so strong, it's likened to a cult? Yes, really. According to Will Guidara, author of Unreasonable Hospitality, being called a cult might actually be a sign of a company that's invested in its culture. It starts with strong core values. This is the foundation. It's what you believe in. It's how you treat each other and your purpose. Our core values drive everything we think, say, and do. They're more than just a printed document that's framed and hanging on the wall. Standards set the tone for what's acceptable and what's expected. Purpose drives meaning to the work you do every day. What are you allowing? Forbes magazine shared a study revealing 58% of managers did not receive management training. That same study also suggests that only 12% of people leave their jobs because of financial reasons. But the number of people who chose to leave for lack of recognition and training is incredibly high. When all these elements, core values, attitudes, beliefs, standards, purpose, align, they become second nature. A strong culture isn't just attractive, it's impactful. It attracts the right team members and the right clients because it's where they feel they belong. Investing in culture isn't just about business, it's about creating a company where everyone thrives and wants to be. If you need to be more intentional about developing or nurturing your shop culture, please join the conversation in the Auto Repair Marketing Mastermind Facebook group. You belong here, a place of over 1,500 auto repair shop owners chatting all things marketing, including company culture. Be sure to dig in more by reading the accompanying blog I wrote, Creating Magnetic Shop Culture to Attract the Best Team.